Class 9 Moments The Happy Prince. Hello students, let us discuss the chapter The Happy Prince now. The Happy Prince is one of the stories from the book The Happy Prince and Other Tales, which is a collection of stories for children by Oscar Wilde. It was first published in May 1888. Let's discuss about the author. Oscar Wilde was an Irish poet, playwright and author of numerous short stories and one novel. Known for his biting wit and a plenitude of aphorisms, he became one of the most successful playwrights of the late Victorian era in London and one of the greatest celebrities of his day. Several of his plays continued to be widely performed, especially The Importance of Being Earnest. One of his other works are The Canterville Ghost, The Selfish Giant, The Remarkable Rocket, etc. Let's talk about characters. Happy Prince. Happy Prince was a statue whose body was covered with gold and his eyes were made of sapphires. He stood very high, so he could see the misery of the whole town. He had a kind heart. He really felt for the poor. Let's talk about the swallow. The swallow was a migrant bird. He came to the city and started acting as the messenger of the prince. When the prince became blind, he, the swallow, decided to stay with him. Now here are some chapter highlights. The statue of a prince was installed high above the city on a tall column. It was covered with thin gold leaves. It had two bright sapphires for its eyes. It had a sword studded with a ruby on its handle. The prince had lived his life happily, because he was ignorant of suffering and sorrow of people. Sitting on a high pedestal, he could see miseries of people which brought tears to his eyes. One evening, a swallow took shelter between the feet of the statue. As the prince was shedding his tears over the misery of his people, teardrops fell on the swallow. The swallow was moved to see the prince's kindness and on his request gave the gems to various needy people. After the removal of the sapphires, the statue of the prince became blind and the swallow decided to be with him. Due to exposure to bitter cold, the swallow died and the heart of the prince cracked out of sorrow for the loss of his friend, the swallow. The statue seemed worthless to the administrators of the city, so they ordered to demolish it. God asked for two most precious things of the city: the leaden heart of the kind prince and the swallow who felt for others. These are the themes of this story, some of the themes actually. There are many others, but these are some most important themes in the story. Selfless love, concern for others, kindness, and social justice. Thank you children. Have a nice day.